What's up, guys? And once again, it's your boy VJ Robbie, and welcome to Tuesday's edition of the Mixed Daily Top 10. Today is August 12th. The first night of Biba Doobie's two-night Manila concert is happening later at the New Frontier Theater. It's another homecoming for the Filipina-British sensation. Joining us again today is Amiel Sol, who will be talking about a concert for a cause that he is a part of. But for now, let's kick off our Tuesday countdown with the videos at 10, 9, and 8. Look who's back on the Mixed Daily Top 10, Amiel Sol.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro? This Friday, Amiel is taking part in a concert for a cause along with Cup of Joe, Earl Agustin, and Maris Racal. Bro, maybe you can share us a little bit more about your concert, the work behind it, and what's happening.
Ayun, this is a fundraising concert for the fallen heroes of PAF. And ayun, sana magkita-kita tayo doon.
What can the fans expect from the show, bro? At least from you.
From me, syempre, you can expect 100% performance. Malay nyo, may new songs din dyan. Ayun, syempre, para malaman nyo, punta kayo at manood kayo.
Yes, at bro, will there be any collab performances dito sa concert nyo or performance?
Ayan, siguro secret muna.
Sneak
Yeah,
peek?
ano
Walang
yan?
sneak peek, ano?
Para
Abangan
mas
na lang.
ma-excite kayo.
Yes,
Ganun.
abangan. Well, bro, you, Earl Agustin, and Cup of Joe have been battling for months on the mix charts and the Spotify charts. So how does it feel that, all of you are, experiencing and enjoying your success, and has it affected your relationship or friendship with any of them, yung competition
Oo,
in any way?
Hindi na nga kami nagpapansin. Hindi, joke lang. Well, wala. Sobrang happy kami for each other. Lalo na, kami ni Earl kasi halos sabay kami nag-start sa music industry. And sobrang happy namin na medyo, alam mo yun, nakakasabay na namin yung Cup of Joe. And sobrang thankful kami pareho sa Cup of Joe dahil last year and 2 years ago, lagi kami nakasama as opening acts for Cup of Joe. So sobrang nakakatulong yun na, alam mo yun, to push our music out there. So I'm really happy that we're all here at the top of the OPM charts. Ganun, sobrang saya lang na I'm here with my friends.
I mean, bro, nakakatuwa talaga, diba, pag kasama mo yung mga kaibigan.
Yeah, sobra.
Nagtatagumpay kayo,
Oo.
diba? It's really great. And anyways, up next, bro, we'll be playing another round of our 3-2-1 game that we played. And so let's see, before all of that, let's see and continue the Tuesday countdown with the videos at number 7, number 6, and number 5.
That's very nice. Very leader talaga. I love
Very kuya
it.
lang.
Oo. Okay, next scenario. Sharing a single cup of coffee with 2 straws. Oy, very K-drama yon. Dalawang straw. Coffee or crush? Crush. Okay.
Kakiat, uy.
Sweet naman.
Yat. Cute
Si
ka.
Brian. I have crush din. Okay, unanimous decision.
For
Sige.
once.
Sino nakagawa na nun? Uy, with someone? Mayroon na ba?
Patry naman.
Patry
naman. Pero
Oh,
hindi ko
ito
pa
na.
na-try.
1 for 3 pa try na.
Hindi ko pa na-try. Ay, nung event natin, pwede na pala yun. Pero pa coffee,
Counted
balik ako
na.
sa coffee. Oh.
Okay. Sige, next scenario. Writing a cute note on a coffee cup sleeve for someone.
Oh,
Oy.
it's cute.
No.
Coffee or crush?
Crush.
Crush. Coffee. Oh, okay. Crush and coffee. Crush. Oh, bakit coffee? Yung writing a cute note. Everyone said crush eh.
Kasi, yung cup sleeve, palagi may cup sleeve event man kami. Feel ko, dun ako palagi na, I always remember that with the fans. That's why parang, I find it cute na whenever they organize a cup sleeve event, they would hand over some cup sleeve na tapos yung mga mukha namin or ganito ganyan. Tapos I think I would love to put a note or a signature over it para mag-share kami.
Ay, that's cute. Naranasan niyo na barista nagsulat ng cute na note sa coffee cup? Aminin!
Yes.
Meron!
Nangyari sa kanya nung once. Dun
Mike.
Nung nasa Alabang nangyari sa kanya nung once, nasa Alabang ako, hindi ko siya napansin kasi yung coffee ko is iced Americano.
Yeah.
Tapos yung ginamit na pen is black din. So nung na-half ko na siya, sabi ko, bakit may nakasulat? Akala ko name. May message pala na mahaba. Tapos nabasa ko na lang siya nung naubos ko na yung coffee.
Ano laman ng
Cute
ano
naman.
message?
Ikaw, Brian, umuha ka din.
Parang
May
sinabi na ano nga yun, thank you for inspiring me something. Tapos I always watch your TikTok videos. Parang
Ay,
gano'n.
that's so nice.
Kaya it's very sweet. Actually, ginawan ko yun ng TikTok video.
Okay,
So
hanapin
thank
natin
you.
yun. Okay. How about si
Ay,
RC, meron
magkanta
ka
pa.
din?
Ganda pa.
Sige,
Ano?
share mo.
Hindi siya letter, pero parang the barista knows me ba? Nagpapalpitate kasi ako pag nagka-coffee.
Okay.
So, may binigay siya na, tawag dyan? Gamot.
Wow! Pero that's so nice
That's
because
so weird.
they know
Sabi
you
ko,
well.
Saan yan na barista? Bro, punta naman dyan. Pa-experience naman. Yung may magbibigay ng gamot,
Criminal
iba
yun.
yan eh.
Something. Basta, may nagbibigay ng
That's
gamot.
so nice. Oh,
Shout out po.
Oy, thank you for taking care of RZ. Debating over the best coffee order and insisting that yours is better. Pag-aawayan niyo yung flavor, nagawa niyo ba yun? Friends or crush? Ay, coffee or crush?
Lugi tayo kay Crush.
Coffee. Coffee. Ah, okay. Coffee lahat. Sige.
Para
Unanimous.
Para sa
Animals.
Okay. Taking aesthetic coffee photos for IG. Coffee or crush? Both. Okay. Both. Coffee.
Coffee.
Oo nga, parang it's can go both ways.
Yes.
Mm.
Kung friend or loved one.
Ay, ayaw
Tama
ko sa
naman.
crush.
Ayaw mo sa crush?
Nangaaway din kapag pangit yung angle.
Ayun lang.
Sa tumangsa.
Oo nga.
Sa tropa na lang.
Phoenix. Feeling ko kailangan natin ng isa pang episode for Brian.
Oo nga, one-on-one, guys.
Sa
Maglabas
Sa
ng
tropa na lang
salubin.
ako.
Kanina pa
Oo.
Parang dami mong hugot, no? Kaya pala puro coffee lahat.
Kaya nga.
Wag na lang. So it's not a date
Safe,
place
safe.
for you. Okay.
Still with our special guest, Amiel Sol. He's back for another round of 3, 2, 1. It's a simple game as mentioned from the last time. All he has to do is rank 3 things, with 1 being the highest. The category for this round of 3, 2, 1 are iconic 90s bands. Ito bro, I'm a big fan of the 90s. So, do you think you'll have a difficult time choosing between these legends?
Feeling ko oo.
Feeling ko din, bro. Anyways, here are your choices. You have Eraserhead, Parokya ni Edgar, and River Maya. 3, 2, 1, go.
Number 3 ko siguro is River Maya. Ang hirap
talaga.
ang hirap niyang i-rate, pero number 3 ko yung River Maya. Sobrang dami kong mga love na songs from River Maya. Sadyang mas marami lang akong siguro mga masasayang memories na nakaakibat sa 2 remaining bands. Ganyan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what about the other 2 remaining bands do you really love about them and why?
Ito kasi, nung high school ako, yung Parokya ni Edgar tsaka Eraserheads, yun yung lagi namin mga kinakantang songs sa Battle of the Bands nung high school kami. So sobrang fun times yung naalala ko kapag naalala ko yung Parokya tsaka yung Eraserheads.
Yeah.
So for example, merong isang parody song yung Parokya, Order Taker. Tinugtog din namin yun sa Battle of the Bands. Tapos sa Eraserheads naman, yung Minsan nila. Yun yung tinutugtog namin sa Battle of the Bands.
Alam mo bro, kinikwento ng mami ko dati, lagi yan, yung dalawang banda na yan, lagi silang parang always trying to one-up each other back then. So, talagang solid. Sila din yung medyo parehas kasi ng style.
Yeah.
I love those answers, bro. Thank you so much for giving us those answers. And question lang, have you met any of these bands or any of the members of the band?
Hindi ko pa na-meet, pero naka-line up ko na dati si Ellie sa isang gig. Ayun.
So, pero hindi pa kayo
Oo,
nagkakakilala.
hindi pa kami nag-meet nun eh.
Well, sana guys, magkakilala kayo ni
Soon,
Amel. At ako
soon.
na rin, sana I get to meet you guys too.
Yes.
But thanks again for playing with me, bro, and let's go back to our countdown. Here are the music videos at number 4, number 3, and number 2.
Uy, lahat tayo bababa dito. Huwag kayo.
Hindi, pas ako dyan. Ano po?
Stayed up late.
Nagpuyat kasi
Nag-wait ka
may
para sa may ano, sa taas.
kausap.
Huwag tayo maglokohan.
Huwag tayo maglokohan dito. Gusto mo ba magturo ako?
So, sumagot ka muna.
Ako bababa.
Bababa. Kasi feeling ko kausap ko na rin yung kausap.
Ako din bababa. Ikaw, Mix.
Ano ka, Bigs?
Bababa.
Bakit ka bababa?
Marami kasi akong hindi kasi ako tao.
Ako bababa. Pala kaibigan kasi si Migs, guys.
Bababa. Bababa kami lahat.
Ako bababa kasi yung kapatid ko hinihintay ko pag sinusundo ko sa school.
Ako,
Ako din.
pass ako. Hindi ako nag-aantay.
Ako din, pas. Mainipin kasi ako eh.
Totoo.
Nahinipin talaga ako.
Totoo.
Ako, pass din ako. Pero depende pag family ko or ganun.
Ako,
Nag-aantay ako.
ako pass din ako kasi ayoko naghihintay. Lalo na sa mga pila nga, naiinip na ako. Paano pa kaya pag tao yung hinihintay ko?
Alien, hinihintay.
Pwede naman pilitin nyo kami, mag-antay kami, pero magka-away-away tayo.
Naman yung 7 hours, di ba?
Si Pan, pass yun.
Pas rin yun.
Pas yun si
Pass po
Pan.
yun si Pan kasi hindi nga siya
Mabilis magbago yung ano
Oo.
yung desisyon niya sa buhay.
Pagtawid niya sa kalsada, hindi niya alam kung tatawid ako hindi. Tatawid ako hindi. Tatawid ako hindi.
Doon mismo ako on the spot ako nagpa-plan. On the spot ako nagpa-plan.
Ako mas sponty din. Lalo na pag yung kasama ko yung family ko. Mas gusto ko go with the flow lang yung mga nangyayari.
Ako, sponty rin kasi milig ako sa mga biglaang alis. Lalo na pag nagaya ako sa mga friends ko.
Maglaan.
Uy. Di ba? Biglaan, di ba? Yun. Mas natutuloy kasi yung biglaan kasi sa mga plano.
Totoo yan. Ako, sponty kasi Gen Z ako eh.
Ako napapansin ko sa life ko, parang walang natutuloy na planado. Parang pag plinan mo, hindi siya natutuloy. So, yan, sponte ako.
Ako pass.
Just to see them.
Pass. Kasi magkakasakit ka.
Ako pass kasi mababasa yung outfit ko. Outfit? Bakit?
Sobrang
Ako
Bababa. Bakit?
Depende sa tao. Depende kung
Kahit sakit.
Depende sa situation. Kung ano yung
hindi bigs, maiba ka lang talaga.
Oh. Gusto niya lang masabi niyo na
Ako pass din
Hindi
ako.
sorry ikaw yun na lang sumagot sa akin.
Bababa pala ako. Kasi gusto ko talaga ng ulan.
Si Pan mahilig din si Pan mahilig
Kaya yung ligo niya tuwing June lang. Mga tag-ulan.
Pag tag-ulan.
Si Pan bro.
Si Pan din feeling ko bababa siya.
Oh, bababa eh.
Kasi
Mahilig kasi
naliligo yun ng ulan sa rooftop pag bumabag.
mahilig siya maligo ng ulan.
With malaking speaker.
Naka-speaker siya doon.
Tapos naglalakad siya kahit
Tapos ang
umuulan.
tugtog niya, touch. Light touch. Okay.
Bababa ako. Bakit bababa? Kasi mahilig ako mag-surprise.
Dapat isang tanong na lang, what's your love language? Kasi hindi ko talaga gagawin yan.
Maya, di pa sila nakakasagot oh.
Ako bababa din. Wala, gusto ko rin ng surprise ng tao. Tapos makikita mong masaya sila. Pag nakikita ka nila.
Ako din bababa din kasi I'm a man of surprise. Yes.
Ako rin naman, fan ako ng surprise, pero hindi para yung...
Hindi para siya yung
Hindi,
surprise.
fan ako ng surprise, pero hindi ako fan ng pagod para magta-travel pa.
Ako, pass din ako. Parang di pa ako nakapag-surprise sa buong buhay.
Kasi gabi na siya nagigising.
Before we say goodbye to Amiel, I saw this on your profile, bro, back in April na you predicted that the OKC Thunder will be the 2025 NBA champions. Ano ba yun, bro? Fan ka ba? Bias ka ba? Paano mo yun nalaman?
Well, ginamit ko yung thesis ko. Kasi may thesis ako nung college which was about predicting the NBA playoffs using historical data. And yun lang. Tapos kahit na 2 years na akong graduate, ginagawa ko pa rin siyang yearly thing para sa mga friends ko sa Facebook, sa mga followers ko sa Instagram. Nire-redo ko lang yung predictions ko na yun. And sumakto lang this year na tumama naman yung predictions ko.
So ibig sabihin, this prediction that you made, was it a prediction that you studied back in April or you made it talagang before the season?
Ano siya, nung April ko lang siya ginawa. So basically, naka-base siya sa regular season nila na performance of that year din. So syempre medyo expected mo na kasi number 1 seed naman sila, diba? So yun.
Well, other than that, bro, what else can you predict? Baka naman ma-predict mo din na may bago kang release.
Yan, oo. Bagong release natin. Prediction ko sa August magkakaroon ng bagong release. Ang title ay Tahimik na Buhay Kapiling Ka. I hope you can support this release of mine and ayun, sana patuloy niyo lang suportahan yung mga upcoming songs ko.
Yes, and let's not forget the most recent one, yung concert mo, bro.
Yeah, oo. Nagkaroon kami ng concert last June and we're gonna have another concert with Cup of Joe and Earl Agustin this upcoming August 15. I hope you all can come. It's gonna be a fun concert.
Yes, guys. I'm excited for it. I'm sure you're all looking forward to it. But now, without further ado, let's find out who's at number 1 at the Tuesday edition of the Mix Daily Top 10.
Hindi. Ay. Sige na, okay lang. Go. Hindi kasi, hindi ito nakwento sa stage. One fun lang, nung isa sa mga cities namin, nag-laundry kami, nakasira kami ng dryer.
Oh!
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, that's... Yeah, kami, ako, Stack, Ate Jo. Kaya guys, yung mga laundry namin, sinampay namin sa labas sa likod ng tit. Buti na lang, walang naka-picture ng blooms or whatever. Pero yun lang. Oh, ayun, fun fact. Sorry po sa dryer. Yeah. Bayaran namin.
Ay, sige. Wow, yaman.
Sira na talaga yun. Bayaran namin pagbalik doon.
Sige, mother. Share it.
Siyempre, very unexpected po na marami ring blooms sa iba't ibang lugar, sa iba't ibang bansa na pinuntahan namin. And talagang nakakataba po ng puso makakita ng kahit mga foreigner blooms. Nagugulat na lang kami na, ay, may ano dito, may ibang lahi, gano'n. Kaya, very grateful. Hindi kami makapaniwala na merong makakakilala pala sa amin. So, thank you so much.
Yes, and add ko lang doon, parang may another reason kami para bumalik sa each state. And yun nga, wala kaming na-expect talaga sa tour. Natatakot kami at first. Pero nung nakita namin, it humbled us and I think it fueled us even more to be better and mag-explore pa ng more cities. Kahit, alam mo yun, kahit 100 lang yung manood o kahit isa lang, parang iba pa rin yung feeling na i-share yung music namin to them. Yeah.
Zero pressure. Super pressure. Super pressure.
Zero pressure.
Super pressure. But that's every day.
Zero pressure.
Super pressure. Extremely pressure.
And that is it for the Tuesday edition of the Mix Daily Top 10. Support your favorites by voting daily on mix.global/vote. Follow Mix socials on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. And as always, I'll see you again tomorrow. This is VJ Robbie. Peacing out.
New kid, happy feeling fresh, yeah. Y'all are dealing with the best, yeah. Grind hard, got no time to rest, yeah. Dark cheek, rolling on my flesh, yeah. You can never test us. Got the homies with me, we be screaming holla. Couple pretty ladies following me, holla. Blood, sweat, and tears for the movement. No, yo, witness, I ain't even got to prove it. Dang, kids, are you not entertained? Money over fame. They want to kick with a gang. Know that forever will stay. Fake ones can stomach my life. Back then I'm lost, now I'm found. Know what I'm talking about. I'll make a march of the crowd. Feel the beat higher, the struggles like rushing around. Let's go, yeah. See ya, way to the top. Holla at me from the side. Let's go, yeah. All kids ready for the drop. Holla at me from the side. Let's go, yeah. See ya, way to the top. Holla at me from the side. Let's go, yeah. All kids ready for the drop. Holla at me from the side.